Hey, you see this? Nina made Alex from Minecraft with one stick of wood. I'm gonna ask her to show you how to do it too. Hi, and welcome to Finding Square Woodworking series for kids. I'm Mark.
And I'm Nina.
And today Nina's gonna show you how to make a Minecraft character. This one's Alex. Today we're gonna build Steve.
Let's get started.
The materials you need for this project is one stick of wood at least 12 inches long. This is 5/8 of an inch thick, 1 1/4 inches wide, and this will make up the whole Minecraft character. The supplies you will need for this project include
Saw, glue, paint, and brushes, pencil,
and what's this?
square,
Right. And Nina's going to use, we happen to have this precision square, so Nina might use that instead of this big square. But this will work just fine.
and clamps.
Clamps. Nina starts by laying out her lines for cutting. She needs 6 pieces for the project: the head, the body, 2 legs, and 2 arms. Nina's drawing her lines across the face and the adjacent edge of the wood to help her cut straight. What are you doing next?
I'm making the leg part. I'm drawing the legs. Oh, I think I want the legs to be.
If you've seen a digital image of a Minecraft character, you'll notice that they are made of blocky square pixels, which make them ideal for woodworking projects. Can you show the next line with the rafter square?
The rafter square.
Yeah. We wanted to show this using the rafter square, which is also called a speed square, because it's more likely found in a toolbox and they are relatively inexpensive. Nina needs to transfer her line from the face of the wood to the edge, so she follows her line over the wood and makes a mark. Then she can line up the square to finish her line. Nina could have used 1 block of wood for both legs, but by cutting them and gluing them back together, she'll create a shadow line which will make her project look more realistic. Now we cut. It takes a lot of patience for most 7-year-olds to cut through a piece of wood, even a small piece of wood. So, hang in there and encourage them to finish, and they'll get a lot of satisfaction after they finish the cut.
Finally.
Alright, go find it. It fell under there. Be careful. Alright, now let's see if it's square.
It looks square to me.
Well, yeah, we have to use this. That look square is good. Can I do a close-up and see?
This one's square. This side is square.
That looks fantastic. I asked Nina to use a miter board, which is a variation of a miter box. Do you remember how to use this? So I'm going to clamp it down.
What if you don't have one of these? You just use
I have to
that.
teach people how to make one. With the board, she'll get near perfect cuts, and it's safer when cutting small parts. Nina's cutting the legs. Next are the arms. Minecraft Steve's arms are not as wide or thick as his body, head, and legs, so we need to cross-cut the arms to length and rip the arms to width. If we rip the arms first, we avoid having to saw tiny pieces. Nina will demonstrate how this works, but first she needs to scribe her lines to guide her through the rip cut. You take your ruler. You made your pencil mark here. You need to take your ruler and line it up out here and make another pencil mark in the same place. So, yeah, and then to make your second pencil mark right there. Okay?
Here?
Yeah. See the big notch?
Yeah.
The next notch over.
Oh.
Right there.
Here.
Okay, now that you have those 2 pencil marks, take your ruler, line them up between the 2 pencil marks.
Oh, that's easier.
And draw a line. Now draw a line between the 2 pencil marks.
Wait, this is not straight.
It's not straight? Okay, we'll fix it. And then go all the way from the end of the board. All the way from the end
Oh.
Not just pencil mark to pencil mark, but the whole board, all the way to the edge. Good. Now, you want to follow that line all the way over to the end of the board, okay? Show the camera. Very nice. Okay, that's good, Nina. Now take it out and cross cut it the way you were gonna cut the arms off. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, but except this side. Put it in the vise like that.
Oh, I know why we're doing that. Because last time we made the, when we made Alex, we had it skinnier, the arm skinnier than the other one. Not making a squeaky noise.
Remember why it makes the squeaky noise?
Because I'm not straight.
Mm-hmm. Just loosen your grip on the saw and let the saw tell you where it should go. Okay, put the saw down. I'm going to show you a trick. Nina is applying wax to the saw. If you have a candle laying around, that works great, and you can just use that to stop the squeaking and make it easier to cut. All right, put it down.
Wait, it's not to the top yet.
That's fine. That's good enough. Now put it back in.
It looks like there's chalk on it. I thought so much easier.
Mm-hmm.
I think it goes super fast.
Keep going. Good. All right.
And then we got two.
We got two. Good. Now you get your line. Really watch that line. Really stay on that line, and then we'll know that that side's really flat.
Starting to make that noise again.
Not as much though. Keep going. Good.
I think that one's straighter.
That was really straight. All right. What do you think?
The legs are too long.
The legs are too long?
Yeah. If they were this way, if this was one piece of wood, and we just cut it that way, that would be the length I want.
Okay, so let's redo the legs. Being able to clamp a small part to a box or board is both safe and practical. It keeps Nina's hands away from the saw blade and keeps the boards from moving and assures a smooth and square cut. Okay. Let's cut it on the miter board.
Moving more because it's
Bring your hands down. Bring your hands down. With the saw. With the saw in your hands, bring it down. Keep cutting. There you go.
Then my legs are finished.
Nina came up with this great idea of actually cutting the legs and gluing them back together. This gives the Minecraft character a much more professional look because you'll see a shadow line between the two legs. It's an extra step, but it's worth it. Careful because you're not wearing a smock. That's okay, the clamps will push it down.
I know. I just kind of want to push it down so it doesn't fall out when I put the clamps on.
That's smart.
There. Now we wait. I'm taking off the clamps.
Okay.
It's dry now.
All right.
off.
Tell you what, let me get over there. Okay, now that the legs are dry and the body and the head are dry, Nina can finish gluing the arms and the legs to the body.
Glue this on here.
Okay.
Like that.
Yep.
But then we have to glue. We can glue these on at the same time.
So we got these two spacers, and the point of these spacers are to hold up the arms when we glue them to the side of the body. So Nina will show you how to do that.
Okay, let me see which way I want this to be. Looks good.
Okay.
Oh, it's tight enough.
Okay, just leave it down because okay. All right. Perfect.
That's as good as it.
Well, thank you for joining us for this episode of Finding Square Woodworking Series for Kids. I'm Mark.
And I'm Nina.
This is Steve.
And this is Alex. Oh yeah!